let me show y'all what I made. So I put these on my TikTok already. If you're not following me, then what are you doing, sis? Go follow me, Anylah Banks. So I'm gonna show y'all how I made them Crocs. Shout out to my you know, she my cousin now. Shout out to cousin Shay Shay for trusting me with her furry white Crocs. If y'all want to know where she got them from, she got them from FINISHLINE. Okay, FINISHLINE. So I'm showing y'all, look, we limited with the space, y'all. We is so limited, and we gotta fix the problem. And I'm just showing y'all here, like, the fur go all around the damn shoe. Everywhere is just fur. It's fur everywhere. So we gotta improvise. So what I'm gonna use is this LOCTITE super glue. It's the best kind for Crocs. I'm gonna use this chain that I got from Wally World. It comes in silver and gold, but the gold was popping more than the silver. So yeah. I got these pearls from Wally World too. These iridescent crystals came in a nail kit that I got from Amazon. I don't know what kit it was. I don't know. I'm so sorry. But these gems, I'm gonna have a link for everything in my description box. My dirty ass picker-upper tool. These some nail gems that I ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down there in the description box. You're gonna need 100% acetone. Some cotton rounds, but listen, these ones left lint everywhere and you don't want that. Get the lint free. This is some sandpaper. My cousin gave me this. I don't even know nothing about it. I just know it's coarse. You're gonna need some sandpaper. And these are all of the things that she sent in her back to me. So these YSL charms, these Dior charms, and I'm showing y'all the back here, you know, for it to go in a Croc. And she for sure wanted me to use this sticker, and this is the rest of the stuff that she has sent. She sent me so much stuff, y'all. She let me just do what I wanted to do. So first things first, you're gonna take that sandpaper and you're gonna scrub the shit out of that damn shoe. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna scrub it, and I mean scrub it thoroughly to the point where the shoe is starting to look like sandpaper. You don't want to go overboard, like don't OD it, but you do want to spend a nice amount of time on this. The reason why you do this is because it's rubber and you want it to adhere, right? Especially with this glue we're using. So you want it to adhere, so you got to roughen up the surface. That's what you do. So I was trying to show y'all here kind of what it looked like. You can see it on the sides, how it's like, it's kind of looking like sandpaper. And I'm going to take some of that 100% acetone on this cotton round, and I'm going to just clean it up, because you gotta clean it up. So you see how mine is leaving those cotton things there. And y'all look, FYI, I have a phobia of cotton, like raw cotton, so that part was bugging me out. But this is what the shoe is looking like so far. She's dry now. It don't take long for the acetone to dry. So next part is actually figuring out what I wanted to do. I know that she wanted to use this sticker, and she only had one. So I was trying to figure out placement, what things I'm gonna put where. And this is very important. You always want to do this, because once you put that glue down, it ain't no going back. Like, and if you do go back, it's gonna be hella hard for you. So please map out your design first. And then I'm showing y'all this chain that I had got from Wally World, and it was pretty long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure it out. So I'm gonna put the chain slightly under the fur, not all the way, but slightly under it. And then I'm gonna use my finger to just hold it in place so I could measure out how much, you know, like of the gold chain we gonna need. Oh, I'm talking so much, y'all. Jesus Christ, I just want to shut up. But I'm gonna cut it where I wanted it, you know, to be. So now you got one chain and you got 2 feet, so you gotta make another one, unless you're making the other shoe completely different. But you know, in this case, what we do to one shoe, we're gonna do to the other. So don't do this under the influence, because listen, y'all, I kept losing track of the number, and I think I did it like 4 times. But once you got the same size, you want to, you know, you want to cut it out. Now, how you apply this glue? You gonna squeeze them 2 handles together, and it's gonna come out slow and steady like butter, baby. Like, look at this. And you want to make sure you apply a very thin line, because if you place too much, when you put down your chain, if you put too much, it's gonna seep over the sides and it's gonna get on your rhinestone. And honey, it is going to be straight up like foggy, and you don't want that. Now you fucked up, and now you got to start over, and you don't want to do that. Okay, so I'm just lightly tapping in the chain. I'm tapping in the chain. Excuse my nails, they're not dirty, y'all. I have a really bad habit of eating hot pickles with Kool-Aid with my bare hands. I am so sorry. Okay, mind your business. But I'm gonna do that around the entire shoe, and I'm gonna just shut up now because I need a break. Okay, y'all, for this last part, because that break wasn't long enough, let me tell you. So you're gonna apply a real thin line, and you're gonna take the other edge of the that picker upper stick, and you're gonna use that to push it in there. And once you do that, you should have something like this. She's shining bright like a diamond. So now I'm just gonna put the what you call that, the sticker on there. I'm not gonna glue it on there yet, and I'm gonna do the Dior little thingy first. So now I want to put it there. I took the sticker off because I was having some technical difficulties. You needed some real strength in your hands to put that in there. And then I'm gonna put the sticker back, and then I want to use this like pearl kind of it's a big ass pearl, this thing right here with some diamonds around it. And I was just figuring out where I wanted to put it, so I took the sticker off again and put the pearl thing on there. Now is the time for the sticker. The sticker gets its moment. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze them 2 tabs, and I'm gonna put a thin layer around the edge, not completely on the edge, but close enough to the edge, because if it seeps, at least it'll seep a little bit, not a lot. Very important, very crucial. If you did not know that, now you know it. And you want to go around the sides. I'm not gonna do where my thumb is because you need a place to put it, right? Like, I'm not trying to get this glue on my hands. This is epoxy resin. For those who don't know, I am allergic to this shit, so I know this shit. And before you place it down, you want to make sure it's in the correct placement. You got enough holes. You know, her feet still need to breathe, sis. They still need to breathe. So you want to put it so where her feet still can goddamn breathe. That's what you want to do. So once you got it to, you know, your desired liking, then you're gonna push it down. And this stuff takes like, I think like 45 seconds to dry, but it needs 24 hours to cure. And I'm gonna just glue that piece where my thumb was, and then do the same thing. Just press it down. All right, y'all, so now this is what the shoe is looking like. She cute or whatever. So now I'm about to show y'all how you place the stones. This is important. If you ain't heard shit, listen to this part. So you gonna place a small dollop of glue, and you gonna start adhering your pearls and your gems like so. The smaller the gem, the smaller the bead of glue. I'm gonna say it again. The smaller the gem, the smaller the dollop of glue. Because if you put too much, it's going to seep around the sides, and it's going to ruin. It's going to ruin the whole holographic, shifting colors, pearly, blingy, goddamn mirror effect. It's going to ruin it. And you're going to have to take it off, and the damn shoe going to come up with the damn gem. And you finna do too much. Your client is going to be pissed at you. She's going to be talking about you in a group chat and on Facebook, and you don't want that smoke. So this what you're doing. I'm doing it for everything, for the larger nail kit gems, the smaller gems, the pearls. I'm just doing this for the entire shoe. So yeah, if you've learned something from today's video, if I have inspired you, if you just like today's content, make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below if you like these, if you would do something different, what would you do? And yeah, make sure you share this video with all your family and friends, and give my shit a like, please, because I deserve it, because this is beautiful. She is a masterpiece, okay? So yeah, this is what the shoes look like when they are completely done. And like, baby, when Shay Shay come around, you better have some shades on, because she about to blind your ass, okay? She is about to blind you. These shoes literally gets chef's kiss from me, okay? Period. It's just so beautiful. That's it. Beautiful is the damn name. So yeah, I see y'all on my next video. So bye.